Hello dear students, welcome back to Naughty Skill Center online classes for Hospitality Operations Housekeeping. Myself Namami Chankakati, your course trainer, and today we will be discussing on the topic facts, opinions and fallacies from the Unit 6 of the common module Effective Communication. So let's begin. So today's key learning points are: at the end of the lesson, you all should be able to differentiate between facts, opinions, and fallacies. So, what is a fact? A fact is something that is always true. Facts are the statements that can be verified with evidence and is provable, observable, and measurable. In simple words, we can say when the information is presented with an evidence and is known or proved to be true, then it's a fact. When information is presented as a fact, it is verifiable and objective based on statistics, data, observations, etc. Facts can be right, wrong, or misleading, but it depends upon the person who can verify the evidence. If the person can verify it and prove it, then it's a fact. So dear students, now let's look at the two examples of facts. The sun rises in the east. This is an universal truth which we all know, right? This thing that the sun rises in the east we have learned, seen, read in the books since our childhood. In the same way, dogs need food and water to survive. Why? Because we all know that like humans, dogs need food, water and shelter to survive, right? Because they need food for energy, growth and repair, and which is an universal truth. Here we don't have to give any evidence actually, right? So students, now let's discuss what is an opinion. An opinion is what you think or feel. It cannot be proven. An opinion is something that you believe to be true but might not be. This can be an attitude or judgment that cannot be proven true or false. In simple words, when the information is presented as an opinion, we cannot verify it. An opinion may be based on facts, but it's subjective because it is based on someone's feelings or judgments. Opinions are generally weak when they are based only on a guess or your personal feeling or judgment. The more factual information you base your opinion on, the stronger they are. Now let's see some of the examples of opinion. For some people, dogs are the best pets, but for some people, they are not. In the same way, coffee is delicious for some people, but others may find tea or any other beverages delicious, right? Okay students, now let's discuss another example which clearly shows the difference between an opinion and fact. If I say today the temperature outside is 30 degrees Celsius, it is an objective information, right? Because it is based on data and observation. However, if someone says it's very hot today, then it will be an opinion, right? So 30 degrees Celsius is a fact because it is based on data and observation, right? And it's objective information that can be verified. But for me, 30 degrees Celsius is comfortable, whereas for other person 30 degrees Celsius may be very hot. Each person may have a different opinion. So facts can be verifiable and objective, which can be proven, whereas opinions cannot be verified. They change according to person or judgment. So students, now let's discuss what is a fallacy. Fallacies are defects that weaken arguments. It's a kind of error in reasoning. Any false belief or cause of a false belief. It is a mistaken belief, especially one based on unsound arguments. A fallacy is an argument of a type that is generally recognized to be bad. It is an argument which appears to be valid, but in reality it is not so. It is an invalid argument which can mislead people by a show of truth. A fallacy is a false idea that many people believe as true. Examples of fallacies. Statements like, lots of people purchase this collection, so it must be great. People are in a mistaken belief that if a product is purchased a lot by many people, then the product must be very great without any problem. Then again, another mistaken belief is like, all superstars are rude. All superstars may not be also rude, but people are in a mistaken belief and they are believing. Dear students, that's it from today's session. I hope I have made the topic clear to you all. In case you have any doubts in your mind, you can definitely ask me. And thank you so much for watching my video. Thanks a lot.